Lesson 12.0, Solve Linear Equations and Systems. Let's start off with some review. Solve 3x plus 5 equals 9x. Well, we have just x's, so let's get the x's on the same side. So I'll subtract 3x from both sides. So 5 equals 6x. Now to get the 6 by itself, or the x by itself, we need to get rid of the 6. So we'll divide by 6. So 5 over 6 equals x. And you could check that by plugging it back in and seeing that both sides are the same. Now if we have a system of equations, we can solve by elimination. To do that, line up the equations with x, y, and equals all in columns. Then you multiply one or both equations by numbers to get a coefficient with the same but opposite signs. So you have like 1x and negative x, or 5y and negative 5y. Then you add your new equations, and you solve the resulting equation. What will happen if you did that correctly, either the x or the y will disappear. After you solved your equation, you'll have one of the answers. Plug that back into one of the original equations and find your other variable and write your solution as xy. So let's solve this. Well, what would we like to eliminate? I think it might be easy to eliminate y. Since I have negative 4y, if I multiply the first equation by 2, that would give me 4y and negative 4y. So if I distribute that, that'll be 6x, and 4y equals 14. And the bottom equation I didn't change. And notice I have 4y and negative 4y. So when I add those together, I'll get 0y. So now we're going to add these equations. It gives me 8x, 0y, and 8. Divide by the 8 to solve for x, so x is 1. Now we're going to take that and plug it into one of the original equations. Let's say the first one, which is 3x plus 2y equals 7. So 3 plus 2y equals 7. Subtract 3. So 2y equals 4. Divide by 2 and you get y equals 2. So x is 1 and y is 2. You write your answer as 1, 2.